if we assume that this graph goes forever and that this graph captures the entire behavior, then 1 is definitely true because the slope will be positive everywhere. How about part 2? The second derivative tells us about concavity. If the second derivative is negative, then it's concave down from negative infinity to 1. Well, it appears that this is concave down from negative infinity to x equals 1, after which it's concave up. This certainly appears to be an inflection point. So Roman numeral 2, the second derivative is negative, which means the graph is concave down on this interval. That is true. In part 3, we're talking about the second derivative. So again, the concavity. In this case, it's concave up from 1 to infinity, and that certainly appears to be true. So this lands us at answer choice D.